Yeah, I'm Dr. Satya Sridhar. I'm a Chief Cardiac Surgeon at Yashoda Hospitals, Somajiguda. I request the citizens to get the risk factors checked, the diabetes, hypertension, hyperlipidemia, and avoid the acquired risk factors like smoking, alcohol, and these things will help you reduce the heart risk burden. So there is an enormous increase in the incidence of heart disease among young people, which is quite scary. So we are doing triple bypasses and quadruple bypasses in young patients, so which is not there a decade earlier or 2 decades earlier, which is becoming a rampant in nowadays, considering the lifestyle. And I pledge the citizens to have a healthy lifestyle, healthy diet, healthy exercise. This will reduce the cardiovascular burden. So there is an enormous enormous literature available on these issues regarding the diet and physical activity and the reduction of risk factors, which is helpful for reduction of the heart disease in our country. And especially, I pledge the citizens to have a healthy exercise protocol, exercise schedule. So each and everyone should exercise at least whatever is possible for them. So most of our Indian lifestyle do not include exercise in their healthy lifestyle. So which is the most important factor. So I request the people to have a healthy lifestyle. Thank you very much.